Hi, and welcome to Chiquita's Crochet. Once again, this is tutorial number 2 for bbcrafts.com, and I'm going to embellish or add some beads to this bookmark that I got. I already made one, just an example. I will make a similar one, but with a pink turtle. They'll be a little bit different color, but that's pretty. This is the bookmark that goes in your book. So let's try. We're gonna have this alloy metal bookmark, 2 O-rings. I keep forgetting what this is. We need one of these and some beads, a bit different. Okay, and put this aside. I need 2 little beads. We'll use these 2. Okay. First, we're going to put the beads on this little wire. Let's see. Where's my other one? Let's see how I made the other one. I started with one missing one. Just a moment. Here we go. Now we're going to start with this little sparkly one. Beautiful. Here we're going to put 1, 2, 3 more. Let's see. Let's do this pearly one. And the eye, something funny. And something beautiful. Just like that. We're going to add 1 more shiny one, and from there we're going to use the tool, the loop ring. Let me see exactly how it's called. It is, let's see, oh dear, I had it. Okay, for looping and forming the rings. There you go. Start from the top, bend, and bend. Oh, sorry, I was off frame. Whoops. I kind of went off frame, but you get the idea, right? I'm going to close it a little more. I did the ring, but I need to close it. This is a smaller bead, so it needs to have a smaller closer. But there you go. There's the little circle. There you go. Now that we have this ready, we need the O-rings, connecting the O-rings. This small one is going to connect to the small turtle, which we got to fix the turtle first. We need another one of the same loop, which I forgot to take out. Sorry about that noise. Okay, we actually need just a straight one. That's why we need this little tiny beads. This is not from BB Craft, but you can find these from BB Craft. Let me see. These right here. Okay, you put one at the end, then the turtle, and then one at the beginning. just like that. You need to cut it and try to make the loop. Like I say, I'm trying to get used to this. Kind of a loopy loop. And for this smaller one, I do have to adjust it with the pliers. But if it would be the bigger ones, it won't. I don't have to do that. Now that we have this turtle ready, we're going to connect it together with the O-ring, with the smaller one. There you go. Add that one. Close it up. There we have that together. Now the only thing that's left is to put the big one on the bookmark. We'll do that. And then we will put it on the beads that we got ready. Just about like that. And you're done. See how cute this is? It's beautiful. And look at the details on the bookmark. They're flowers, but I think for me they look like tiny roses, like rose buds. Very beautiful. That is a tutorial for the bookmark. And all you need is a book or a journal, junk journal, all that stuff. Okay, even magazines. So I hope you like this tutorial. Remember, I'm going to try to link all the links down below and the previous videos also as soon as they get uploaded and I go back and adjust everything. Okay, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and check out beebeecrafts.com. Bye.